As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey, with the despairing cry, threw an armful of the little coats through the window, and I looked in the mirror before I turned the corner of the drive, and every day was in tears. Okay, so when Mr. Harriet was going to hospital and Tricky was with him in his car only, what did he see from the mirror? Actually, side mirror, he saw Mrs. Pumphrey was still crying, and suddenly when the car started, she threw one coat. Okay, one, we can say how many coats could be held that time, she threw that through the window of the car, inside the car for Tricky. Okay, and Mr. Harriet saw while moving from there, everybody was crying, everybody was in tears. Okay, Tricky was actually so dear to Mrs. Pumphrey that she could not live without it. Okay, that is why all were crying along with Mrs. Pumphrey. Okay, out on the road, I glanced down. Glanced means looked down at the pathetic little animal. Pathetic means whose condition is very bad. Gasping on the seat by my side. Gasping means breathing heavily. I patted the head. Patted means to rub hand on the head. Okay, and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. Wag means wave his tail. Poor old lad. Lad means creature. I said, you haven't a kick in you. Kick means energy, a little energy in you. But I think I know a cure for you. Cure means treatment. So when Mr. Harriet was moving, he suddenly saw Tricky, which was sitting next to him. Okay, and what did he see? Tricky's condition was not so good. He was not having any energy in his body. He was breathing very heavily. Okay, when Mr. Harriet rubbed his hand on his head, Tricky started waving his tail. Okay, and where Tricky suddenly started giving a little, we can say, friendly gesture. And after seeing this, Mr. Harriet told, poor creature, you don't have any energy in you, but I know how to treat you. Means now Tricky was not well. Clear? He was not having any energy in his body, but Mr. Harriet knew how to treat him. Means he was sure on the way that he would really try to make Tricky well. How would he treat Tricky? Let's read. At the surgery, the household dogs surged around me. Surged means gathered around him. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes, and when pulled down, lay motionless on the carpet. The other dogs, after sniffing around him, sniffing means smelling around him, with a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. So when Mr. Harriet reached the surgery, here the meaning of surgery is hospital. So when he reached his hospital, many dogs came and gathered around Mr. Harriet. As we know, Mr. Harriet was a veterinary doctor, so he was familiar with the dogs. Even dogs were familiar with him. So when Mr. Harriet came, the dogs gathered around him. They started barking, and Mr. Harriet kept Tricky on the floor. Okay, other dogs came, smelled Tricky. You know, when one dog meets another dog, they smell each other, and then they find this dog is very adventurous. Then they start fighting with each other. They start running here and there. Okay, means the dogs enjoy like this, they are very adventurous. But when the dogs came and tried to play with Tricky, they smelled Tricky, and they understood that Tricky is very boring subject, very boring person, dog, we can say. Okay, so they left Tricky there only. They did not fight with Tricky, they did not play with him, and went away. Okay, I made up a bed for him in a warm loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. So where other dogs were sleeping, Mr. Harriet made a bed for Tricky there only in a kind of loose box. For 2 days I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. So this is very important stanza of this chapter. How Mr. Harriet treated Tricky. For 2 days continuously he did not give him anything, only plenty of water was given. Why? So that his digestive system should be in order. At the end of the second day he started to show some interest in its surrounding, and on the third he began to whimper. Whimper means to make low sound when he heard the dogs in the yard. So Tricky did not show any kind of excitement there. He was there in his box for 2 days continuously, still lazy, still motionless. At the third day, Tricky started showing interest in his surrounding. He was looking here and there. He was also producing a low sound when other dogs were barking. Okay, now his digestive system was being in order, because 2 days nothing was given to him, only water was given. So one thing you have to see, how Mr. Harriet treated Tricky. Mr. Harriet did not give any kind of medicinal treatment to Tricky. There was no medicine given to him, there was no injection, there was no tablet etc. given to Tricky. Tricky was completely normal there. Only his diet was regulated. How his diet was regulated? 2 days nothing was given to him, only water was given, and after 2-3 days if food was given to him, then only normal food which is good for dogs, that was given to Tricky, and it was needed only to make Tricky well, which Mrs. Pumphrey did not understand. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out. Trotted out means moved slowly out, and was immediately engulfed by Joe. Engulfed means surrounded by Joe. Joe is the name of dog, the greyhound. Greyhound is a breed of dog, and his friends. So when Tricky came out of his box after 2-3 days, other dogs came and surrounded him. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. Okay, so what is the meaning of this stanza? When other dogs saw Tricky, and they tried to play with Tricky, and they started moving in the garden. Tricky also started following the dogs. Okay, and where did they go? They were going to garden. Why? Because food was being served to them. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. Food time was going on. All the dogs were served food in balls. Okay, and Tricky was standing there only. Every dog was pushing each other, but Tricky was just motionless there. So how Tricky had his food? Let's read. I watched while Princeton slobbed. Princeton is the name of worker who was working in the hospital. Okay, slobbed the food into the bowl. So Princeton is the name of person who was filling the bowls with food for dogs. There was a usual headlong rush followed by the sounds of high speed eating. Every dog knew that if he left behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. So when Princeton was serving food to the dogs, all dogs were pushing each other because they knew if they would be left behind. You can see this scene, everybody was moving and running so fast to have food because they knew that if they would be left behind, then there would be no food for them. But what about Tricky? Tricky did not know about this. He was moving very slowly, and what happened? At last all the dogs had eaten the food. They were licking the bowls and all, and nothing was left for Tricky. Tricky lagged behind. Okay, when they had finished, Tricky took a walk around the shining bowls, licking casually inside 1 or 2 of them. Next day an extra bowl was kept put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. Jostling means pushing. So after 2-3 days, when first time Tricky came out to have his food, he was left behind only because all the dogs were pushing each other very fast and they had their food. But what about Tricky? Tricky could not eat his food because he was left behind. He was not pushing, he was not running to have his food. But next day, next day when he came there, he knew how to have his food. He also started behaving like other dogs. As other dogs were pushing each other, now Tricky was also pushing other dogs and came to have his food. And when he moved forward, he had his first meal at the hospital. Because he knew that today if I would be slow, then I would be left behind. From then on, the progress was rapid. Now his progress was so fast. Now Tricky was being normal. He was behaving like other dogs. He was running here and there. He was having his food daily. He was playing with other dogs. Now he became an accepted member of the gang of other dogs who were already living in the hospital.